everyone, how are you all doing? I just wish everyone is doing great. As you know, I always bring new and amazing crypto projects for all of you in which you can invest and get great profit. But one thing that I always mention is none of any project is financially advised by me. So do your own research before invest. Let's move to our project. But before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, press notification bell to get updated by my upcoming latest video. Thank you. Okay guys, so today in this video we are going to talk about Blonex token. This is a hybrid cryptocurrency exchange combined with AI-based trading assistance system. Here we are to the website of the project. Let me tell you that as currently they are in their pre-sale phase, so you can buy from their pre-sale right now, and when their pre-sale will end, you'll be able to stake your token and earn. So here first of all we have the pre-sale countdown, 26 days and 1 hour left for the pre-sale, and then they will end their pre-sale. So all you have to do is to connect your wallet, enter the quantity, and simply buy the token. You can buy the token via USDT on BNB. Then we have some more details of the project. Unlike general exchanges that only provide functions for users to place and execute orders, Blonex provides a structure that asserts and control users to they can better adhere to their own established trading principles and scenarios. This intends to solve the point. Next, AI within Blonex is not an automatic trading bot that replaces users' trading efficiency. So you can see that this is a utility token used within the Blonex exchange. Next, AI features receive fee discounts, receive VIP status, participate in loss compensation campaigns. Then we can see out the pre-sale supply, which is 250 million, and 1 billion is total supply. Then you can check out some more details of the derivatives first exchange, and then we have some of the key features. You can check out the key features: perpetual features engine, up down trading, real-time risk controls, AI assisted signals, AI order resistance, strategy templates, reward center, tier based benefits, etc. So you can check out the details of the project here. Then revenge trading after liquidation, overloading on pulse, entering without a plan. There's are the mistake that breaks accounts. So you can check Blonex AI doesn't predict anything. It verifies, warns, blocks, and feeds back on the UC. You can check out the trading plan of monitors here. Everything is mentioned here. Then you can see how the holders unlock hyperspection. Core AI is free for all. Blown increased resolution. So you can check out the details from here. And then here we have their Blown utility. Blown is not a token that guarantees profits. Blown is a utility token as it designed to enable deeper access to Blonex AI-based trading control and efficiency infrastructure. All trading decisions and responsibilities remain with the user. Then you can check out some more details: reward boost, loss recovery campaigns, AI trading, etc. Then we have the Blown Technomics. You can check out 25% is for rewards, token standard SBP20, to network PSC, then the operations ecosystem 10% for strategic reserve, 10% for marketing, and 5% for their team. So we have the pre-sale benefits. That what benefits are you are going to get through their pre-sale: lowest entry price, opportunity to secure tokens at the lowest price before the official launch, same utility, long-term ecosystem participation, and community priority. So here we are redirected to the white paper. You can check the white paper to know more about the project. You can check the background details of the project, executive summary. This is founded on the belief that human potential is inherently expensive. You can check why we should go for Blown and why we should hold Blown, because the reason to hold Blown is not simply the presence of additional benefits or incentives. Within the design philosophy of Blonex, holding Blown presents more than access to certain features. It reflects our structural choice, etc. Then you have some more details of the core AI features and more AI mod system. Everything is mentioned here. So all you have to do is to check the white paper to know more about the project. Here we have the marketplace. You can view the latest prices for the 100 of digital assets listed in your completely name alongside the daily prices. And you can check out the details of the project, their pair, etc. So everything you are going to get on this. Okay guys, so this was all about it. I'll drop the link in my description which you can use to access the project. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like more videos, subscribe to my channel, and press the notification bell to get updated by my upcoming video. Thank you.